Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So I'm currently in Portugal in the Algarve, and we are currently in the marina in Albufeira. We're about to go on a boat trip, see some caves, hopefully see some dolphins, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm going to show you the company that I used, why I used them, and the sun is just not trying to let me be great right now. And there we go. And take you guys on the trip with me, so let's go. When you reach the end of the marina, you've got all the companies here. You can hire a boat. We actually hired from a company way down there. So that's where we're going now.
Yo, Dan, which one we doing? Yo, Dan, which one we doing?
So look at this backdrop. They've actually just pulled over the boat to let people jump in and cool off and go for a little swim, which is really nice. I didn't actually know they did that, so that's a nice touch.
Yo, Dan, which one we doing? Yo, Dan, which one we doing?
sharks in Portugal. We just saw a shark. Wait, literally 2 days ago, I was saying on my Instagram that I really wanted to go kayaking, but years ago I saw a shark fin, it was a hammerhead, and everyone was like, there's no sharks in Portugal, blah, blah, blah. Excuse me, what was that? Granted, it was a little shark. I don't know if it was a baby shark, it was small, it wasn't like a great white or anything. However, as I'm watching the footage, and I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, it is really hard to capture things on camera because you're literally in the middle of the sea and you don't know where these things are going to be popping out from. So you don't know where to aim the camera straight away. But I'm going to try and circle it. You have to really focus. There was definitely a bigger shark behind this baby shark. Yeah, you're going to have to like, but it's there. Enjoy that, guys. So here are some details on the boat trip, where we got it from, etc. So 35 euros is the price we paid each. The reason we actually ended up paying a little bit more because on average they were about 30 euros, give or take here or there depending on the company that you use. But so it was slightly more with this company only because I went for a slightly smaller boat which takes less people. I just felt more comfortable, obviously with the COVID situation, I just felt more comfortable having less people on the boats. Also, X-Ride very kindly allowed my husband and I to sit at the front so that I could film without getting people in the shot. So that was really, really nice of them. That's another reason why I went with them. Now, when you're actually on the boat, you do need to wear a mask. At first it's a bit like, oh my gosh, it's so hot, but the minute you start going, you actually won't mind wearing a mask at all. You need to be about 30 minutes early before your booking. So whatever time you've gone with, we went with the 9:30 a.m. booking. So the trip is about 2.5 hours, although I think ours was about 2 hours 45 minutes because they were struggling to find the dolphins. Now with the dolphins, it's obviously not always guaranteed. They will do their absolute best to find the dolphins. However, you know, it's kind of out of their control. So we did see dolphins, as you saw. I was able to capture one, but there were two. Now when dolphins are in bigger groups, they will come out. About 3 years ago when we went, there were a few dolphins and they came out and they were literally around us for ages. However, when they're in smaller groups or by themselves, I think maybe they might be a little bit intimidated by the boats and so they don't tend to come out and say hello as often. But we did see the dolphins. As you saw, we had an extra little surprise and saw a shark. But it's so hard to film because you don't know where they're going to be coming from. And they actually got radioed that there was an orca whale in Portimão, which is somewhere else where you can get boats from. Who knows what you might see that day when you go out on the boat? Who knows? But it's definitely worth it. I would say get there early because the parking gets full really, really quickly. The marina gets busy really, really quickly. We took the 9:30 boat and we were there for 8:30. Amazing parking. And about 15 minutes later, parking was filling up. However, there is parking available way further down, so don't worry. If you are driving and you want to get there a little bit later or you are booking a little bit later, morning slots are good because you've got the rest of the day. So after that, I think we went to the beach, which is why I'm only now doing my outro. If you guys have any questions or you're thinking about visiting the Algarve, Let me know in the comments down below and I will be happy to help where I can. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.